With your unit, we provide you a template, a bracket, and 2 universal screws. You would also need a pen or pencil, a 1/8 drill bit, and a drill. So the template is marked so you can install it on the left side or the right side. I've chosen to do mine on the right. So I'm gonna lay my template down, slide it to my back right corner. Align my bracket up with the template. With the bracket in place, you can see there's 2 different ways in which we can install it. We have 2 towards the front if you want to secure it to the ground, and we have 2 towards the rear if you want to secure it to the wall or the cabinet. If you want to secure it to the floor, depending on your structure, for concrete you will need a hammer drill. If wood, you will need to pre-drill your holes with your 1/8 drill bit. My flooring is concrete, however I'm going to secure my bracket to my cabinet. So let's mark the location for our pilot holes. With my holes pre-drilled, I can now secure my bracket. These screws can be used for wood or concrete. So I slid my range in. Let's confirm the proper function of our bracket. We want to grab the back of our unit, try to pull it towards you.